Next, we are talking about frequency distributions, or sometimes they are called frequency tables. And this is a way of organizing data. The data values are listed in the first column, and the number of times they occur, or the frequency, is listed in the second column. A random sample of 30 people is selected. Each person is asked their height to the nearest inch, and the heights are as follows. So we have our data here, and they want us to construct a frequency distribution for this data. So the frequency distribution is going to have two columns. The first is for the data, which in this case is heights, and the second is for the frequencies. And I want my data to be organized, so I want to find the lowest value, and that would be 66. And 66 has a frequency of 1 because there's only one 66 here. Next would be 67, which has a frequency of 3. '68 has a frequency of 2. '69 has a frequency of 1. '70 has a frequency of 3. '71 occurs 7 times. '72 occurs 5 times. '73 also occurs 5 times. '74, there's only one of those. And 75 is our last value, and there's 2 of those. So that would be our frequency distribution.